Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change thumbnail of shorts. So first thing that you will do is open the YouTube application into your device. From here guys, just simply go ahead and tap on the create icon in the middle. So just simply tap on that. And from here guys, just make sure you are on the short tab over here down below and go to your gallery, and from here just simply select the video that you want to upload, and from here you'll be able to trim it. So once you're done, just tap on done down below at the right side of the screen and just wait for it to process. And now from here guys, you can retouch the video and you can simply make some edits, and once you're done, just tap on the check icon at the bottom right, and from here you'll be able to add text or voiceover, and once you're done, just tap on next again. And in order for you to change the thumbnail, as you can see over here at the top left corner of the screen on your video, you will be able to see the pencil icon over here. So just simply tap on the pencil icon, and from here guys, you should be able to select a thumbnail. So guys, from here just simply select the thumbnail and just simply tap on done, and from there you'll be able to change the thumbnail of your shorts. So guys, as of today, you can only change the thumbnail when you are uploading a new video, and once the video is already uploaded, you won't be able to change it. So from here, you'll be able to only change the video that you are currently uploading. And once you have provided the thumbnail that you like, just simply provide the necessary information for your short. And once you are done, you can just tap on upload short. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.